T5. So before starting the demonstration, we will look after the connectivity first. This connection is for 12 volt DC supply. Here battery is connected with the battery backup as 2 hours. This indication is for mains, and this indication is for battery charging. This connectivity is for gas supply. This is the main inlet for oxygen gas supply. These two tubes is for the airway pressure monitoring. This is the main fresh gas intake inspiratory port. This port is for ETCO2 monitoring. So we'll look after how circuit will get connected to the patient. So this is the circuit setup. This is the main fresh gas intake tube. This is connected to the expiratory valve. These two are the airway pressure monitoring tubes. It is connected over here, here and here, and then goes to the patient. Now we will start with the ventilation. To start the ventilator, press this power key once.
An oxygen cylinder. Set ventilation mode and parameters.
So this is the main screen with 7-inch touchscreen display. In this, 2 patient applications can be used, pediatric as well as adult. This is the user selectable parameters. This is the monitored parameters. This is main graphical window in which pressure graph is displayed. Now we will look after the ventilation modes provided in this unit. So from here you can access the ventilation modes. So these are the list of the ventilation modes provided: volume assist control, IPPV mode, volume SIMV, CPAP, manual mode, and CPR. So now we will look after these options. So this is the alarms. This is the alarm windows which will display all the alarm limits. So from here you can adjust the particular alarm limits for the particular parameters. So using this rotary knob, you can adjust the alarm limits, higher, lower, and for the confirmation, press it once, and to save the changes, just use this option. Event option will display all the alarm history which has been already occurred. So this is the history given. This is a CPR option. CPR is cardiopulmonary resuscitation. It is used to give the emergency ventilation to the patient. So this is the CPR option.
Choose patient type.
So here patient selection window is given. 3 patients can be selected: neonate, pediatric, and adult. So here I am selecting adult patient.
Control mode.
So 3 control modes are given: single, double, and continue. In single control mode,